let's move to our call of the day. It is GE. It does play into the airline space, obviously, with their aviation business. Steve Tusa, JPMorgan, the guy who essentially came out a while back and all but called the bottom, now says the year-to-date outperformance, quote, a show about nothing for now. Too much for this stock? Not justified? Pete?
Yes, I would agree with Steve Tusa, who actually, he had that double upgrade, right? And that's what everybody got so excited about. But the idea was, I said that day, and I continue to say, his price target remained, it was $6. It's still $6. He still has concerns over the debt. He still has all kinds of concerns. And he used the Seinfeld,
he still has $6.
Yep. And he uses the Seinfeld, it's about nothing. So this move to the upside, he's saying it's not. I think there's a little something to that. And we all, I think, would agree on this desk. We like the management change and what's going on and what the efforts are there. But they're still not in a great position, in my opinion, to make the sales that they need to make to put themselves in the balance sheet that they need to have. And because of that, I think this stock still has some pressure to the downside.
So is the 20, let's call it 29% move, Shannon, over a month, so year to date we'll call it, is it a gift to get out?
For us, yes, I think so, because I think that they are a forced seller right now. If you look at that balance sheet, acquirers of those assets know that they are in a precarious position, that they need to get cash on the balance sheet. And I think when you're in that position from a corporate perspective, it's not one you want to be in. And as an investor, you're investing for growth. You're not investing for asset sales happening over the next 6 months. So I would want to see some more progress as it relates to those asset sales and improvement on the balance sheet, especially as we're going into maybe not a recession this year, but certainly into a late cycle economic environment.
Look, Tusa's been the best on the street in this company, period. None of us here have done the work. Maybe you have, but I know none of these guys.
I mean, not to the level that Tusa
has. That Tusa has, exactly right. So I'm going with them until further notice. And by the way, these companies are ridiculously tough to turn around because you're a distressed seller with a distressed, not technically, balance sheet. So why own it? You want to lose money? Go buy something else.
Delta, Charlie, Bravo. Dead cat bounce. That's what this is. So this is textbook. And Tusa does a great job. Coincidentally, one of the things that he takes a shot at is the aviation leasing arm. He says, it's on the market for $40 billion. Doesn't think that it's going to get there. It's been on the market for a little while. It's indication it's not selling.
Remember what the low was, the 52-week low?
Yeah.
Little sixes?
Six.
All sixes.
Yeah.
666.
What's the Larry Culp premium in this stock? 20%?
Right now, it's
at least.
maybe more. Probably more.
Exactly.
Probably more.
Yes.